Hey guys, Taylor here with another video, and if you're here, you've probably been doing some research into hosting services for your personal websites. Now, there are a lot of options out there, and depending on your choice, they can be very easy or very difficult to use. And if you're a beginner in the world of web hosting, then it's very important to get a nice, slick, easy-to-use platform to avoid frustration and unneeded confusion. So today, we're going to be talking about 3 of the best and user-friendly hosting services for your personal sites. We've tested literally dozens of options, and we've come up with 3 that we think will truly suit you well. And that's going to be Hostinger, Bluehost, and SiteGround. Now, when looking for the best web hosting for personal sites, there's a couple of features that we're monitoring, and that includes pricing, one-click installers, website builders, step-by-step guides, and outstanding customer support. Basically, we want to make sure that all of these platforms are packed full of features and are still affordable and, of course, easy to use. So up first, we have Hostinger, and this is going to be the cheapest shared hosting provider for long-term plans. Now, if you do have a tight budget, Hostinger is a great option. You can actually sign up for a 3 or 4-year plan, and with those long-term plans, you're going to save a ton of money in the long term, making it literally one of the most affordable plans on the market. Now, aside from affordability, Hostinger is also one of the fastest and most reliable web hosts out there. And on top of that, there's a ton of excellent features available to you. On their single shared hosting plan, you'll get 10 gigs of space, 100 gigs of bandwidth, and that should be more than enough for your personal sites. And if you are interested in having a lot of videos or high-resolution images, you can easily upgrade to one of their more advanced plans. And on these advanced plans, you'll actually get unlimited bandwidth, a limited number of sites, and either 20 gigs or 10 gigs of SSD storage. Now, a couple of the great features on offer here with Hostinger is it does have a simpler control panel, excellent loading speeds, an extensive knowledge base, and a free domain for the first year. This is truly a solid all-around platform, and it's really going to be beneficial for you in creating all of your personal website needs. Again, if you are on a tight budget but you don't want to sacrifice quality, definitely check out Hostinger. Now, next up, we have Bluehost, and this is going to be the best customer support. Now, hosting a website and having exceptional customer support doesn't have to be expensive, nor do you have to compromise on performance or reliability. If you want the friendliest and most helpful customer support, Bluehost is the best and cheapest way to make it happen. Meanwhile, not only does Bluehost go the extra mile when it comes to taking care of you, but their hosting plans are both affordable and packed with useful features. A free domain and free SSL certificate are included when purchasing any hosting service from Bluehost. In addition, here's a few things you get with their most basic shared hosting plan. You have 24/7 live chat or phone support. Even on their entry-level plan, you get to contact and take advantage of their phone support as much as you like. They also have a domain manager. Their domain manager makes it easy to update, transfer, purchase, and manage your domains in one place. There's also resource protection. Even if there are other websites on the shared server, your site's performance stays protected and unaffected. And lastly, they have above and beyond tech and customer support. We've tested Bluehost support teams several times, and they've always delivered. Their agents are quick to respond, and they don't mind going the extra mile to lend a hand or get your site working if something ever goes wrong. Now, you can only host one website on their most basic plan, but the vast majority of features are still included. So what do you get if you do pay more? If you do opt for the Plus or Choice Plus plans, you can host an unlimited number of websites, each with its own domain. You also get unlimited emails, and with the Choice Plus plan, you get free domain privacy and free automated backups of your website for 1 year. So what would be a good time to upgrade? Well, there are 2 good reasons to upgrade to Plus or Choice Plus with Bluehost. First, if you need to host more than one website, or if your website is growing quickly and you need more resources to handle the traffic. So if those sound like features that are valuable to you, then definitely check out Bluehost. And lastly, we have SiteGround. This is going to be the most affordable managed WordPress plans for personal sites. SiteGround is actually built on the Google Cloud platform, so it has excellent loading speeds and reliable uptime for your website. But the best thing here is it's incredibly easy to work with, regardless of your level of experience. If you want to use WordPress to build your personal website, all you have to do is activate the WordPress starter wizard when you first log into your account, and you'll have an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide to building your first website. Now, some of the features on offer here, it does have site tools, managed WordPress, specialized WordPress support, and daily automated backups. Their control panel is excellent for beginners, and all the tools that you need are neatly integrated into the menu. It also allows for automatic WordPress updates with the CMS that's included. There's also tech support specific to WordPress, which is great. And as I mentioned, even on the entry-level startup plan, your website is backed up so that you'll never lose your data. So if you are looking for a fantastic, affordable, and easy-to-use website hosting platform, then definitely check out SiteGround. So which of these hosting services is best for you? There's a good reason to pick any one of the providers I've included on my list, but at the end of the day, it does all depend on your needs, your level of experience, and of course, your budget. I recommend Bluehost as the best cheap web host overall because their shared hosting plans have everything you need to build a low-cost but effective website. Also, if outstanding customer support is a top priority, you'll find Bluehost's customer support is truly one of the best in the industry. This makes them an excellent choice for web hosting newbies or anyone starting a website for the first time. Now, if you're looking for an affordable yet high-performance platform, Hostinger is an excellent option. Its shared hosting plans are still super cheap, and you get to choose between 7 data centers on 4 continents to host your site. Finally, SiteGround hosting would be the best option if you're willing to spend a little bit more for better speed and performance. In addition, they include managed WordPress hosting, which provides increased security for your sites, and you'll receive automatic updates for all of your plugins to help prevent any WordPress-related security issues. Anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you today. Just a reminder that I will leave links to all of the web hosting services that I mentioned in the description below, so feel free to check them out there, along with any deals or discounts that I do come across. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Be sure to stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.